Speaking of bad luck, we couldn't see the meteor shower last night. Marissa, what's going on with that?
Well, that's right. For many of us, we couldn't see the meteor shower. Those in Central Oregon a bit luckier, starting off with those clear skies out there. The best time to view the meteor shower, of course, right before sunrise, actually before dawn, so about an hour before sunrise, anytime between 4 and 5 o'clock. However, we will have another chance to see it tomorrow, but we're going to see the same situation weather-wise across the area. We will start off with that marine layer bringing in those clouds again to start off tomorrow morning. Here's a look at our current conditions right now in Corvallis, starting off at 57 degrees, dew point at 54, visibility at 10 miles, even though we are seeing a good layer of clouds above us. In Roseburg this morning, starting off at 59 degrees, visibility also at 10 miles there, though the fog or the clouds are a bit closer to the ground and a bit more dense out along the coast. Here's a look at your current temperatures along the coast, low to mid 50s. Along I-5, a bit warmer, mid to upper 50s. And into Central Oregon, now falling to 48 degrees at Adele Lake near Willamette Pass. Everywhere else, though, starting off in those low 50s across the area. Now, here's a look at weather across the state. Pretty quiet out there this morning. Plenty of clear skies, Central Oregon into Eastern Oregon. A few showers, though, once you get just even further off to the east. Here in the western half of the state, looking at those clouds all along, mainly west of the Cascade Crest, but those clouds will quickly burn on off once we get into this afternoon, and that's going to allow our temperatures to get back near average. Now, the upper level low that we talked about at the end of last week and into the weekend that brought us those showers and storms, that's now further up to the north and west, and it's continuing to weaken. It's actually going to merge with the storm that's even farther off to the west, and then that big storm is going to stay to the west as we head through the week ahead. We're not worried about it. It's going to stay out over the ocean, and we are going to be influenced by the high pressure. It's already sitting in the southwestern part of the country. This is going to stick around through the week ahead, bring the return of some summer-like weather, even get our temperatures back into the mid to upper 80s inland. Now, here's a look at that big picture again. That storm still trying to get things together, and once it merges with that smaller storm, we'll begin to see it become more defined as we head into tomorrow. But once again, we don't have to worry about that. High pressures in control of our weather. Along the coast this morning, starting off with those clouds, with plenty of sunshine in the afternoon. Our highs will be back into the low to mid 60s as we get into the afternoon. We climb, though, into the upper 60s Wednesday and Thursday, and then we'll pick up a few more clouds. Slight chance for some drizzle on Friday and Saturday morning. Umpqua Basin highs today in the mid 80s, starting off with some areas of fog, but plenty of sunshine in the afternoon. Upper 80s as we move into Tuesday, even 90 degrees on Wednesday. Through the week ahead and into the weekend, we'll slightly cool off into the mid 80s, but still keep that sun. As we head to the Cascades, highs today into the low 70s over the passes, upper 70s in the foothills. Plenty of sunshine, though we'll have just a slight chance for a thunderstorm late in the day. It's going to be a lot like what we saw yesterday, only seeing a few showers popping on up, and they'll be very isolated as well. Central Oregon will also have that shower or thunderstorm chance. Otherwise, plenty of sunshine. Highs today will get into the low 80s as well as the upper 70s in a few locations. We're into the mid 80s, even upper 80s for Wednesday and Thursday. Then as we head into the weekend, we'll see a weak disturbance move on through. That'll bring just another chance for some thunderstorms across the area. For the valley, highs today will be into the low 80s, starting off with those clouds, but plenty of sunshine in the afternoon. We're into the mid to upper 80s, though, as we get into the middle part of the week, before slightly cooling off as we head into next weekend into the low 80s.